Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to change your replica's name. To change the name of your replica in Replika application, first of all, open up the Replika app on your smartphone and log in. Once you're inside this page, tap on the name of your replica at the top of the screen. Now click on the pencil button right next to the current name. Go ahead and erase the current name and type down the new one. After you are done, click on the tick mark right next to the text box. And this will help you change your name, save the name that you just entered for your replica. And there you go. That's how you easily name your replica. Now your new name will be reflected right above your replica on the screen. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.